Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am starting a new series which is going to be related with my CA journey. As I have completed my CA intermediate, I thought let me share a little bit of knowledge that I have with you guys so that you can also excel in your CA career. In this series, we are going to cover everything starting from CA foundation, how to take registration in CA foundation, from that to the intermediate level and to the articleship level. Since I have not started my CA final journey, I don't know anything about it, so I will not share anything related to CA final, and my videos will only be related to CA articleship or CA intermediate or CA foundation. When I will start my CA final journey, I will upload videos regarding that, but for now I will just share videos up to the articleship level. When I cleared my CA intermediate exam in November 22, the next question that arose in front of me was, how am I going to find firms for articleship? What are the ways to find those firms, and how can I apply in those firms so that I get an interview opportunity in those firms? So I started researching about the firms in which I can get articleship. I also look for YouTube videos where I can find ways in which I can apply for articleship, but there are hardly any YouTube videos in which you can find answers regarding articleship and how you can find firms for articleship. So in this video, I am going to show you two ways in which you can find firms for articleship and how you can apply in those firms so that you get an interview call. The first way in which you can find firms for articleship is the recommendation way or the connection way. So what do I mean by that? Is that you may have friends or relatives or any of your colleagues who might be working in big fours or top 20 firms or in any CA firm in which you want articleship. You can ask them about the mail ID of the HR so that you can upload your CV through that mail ID. You can also ask them to recommend you in the firm for articleship so that you can easily get into top firms through recommendation. This is one of the easiest way in which you can get articleship in top firms, but it is not a feasible one because many of us don't have contacts in big firms or articleship firms, and because of that there is no chance that we can find firms through this way. But it is an easy way. If you have friends or relatives or any person in your contact which is in big firms or top 20 firms, make use of them, get into top firms and get good experience in top firms. But if you don't have any contact in any of the articleship firms or in top firms, then the second way which I am going to show you now will surely get you a good articleship firm for your 3 years of articleship. Now the second way in which you can find articleship firm is by this way. Go to your web browser. Okay, now type anything like top 20 firms for CA articleship in Mumbai, because I stay in Mumbai, so I wrote in Mumbai. You can type anything. If you stay in Delhi, type top 20 CA firms for CA articleship in Delhi or in Chennai or wherever you reside, and then click on it, and you will find either a link or you will find firms. Then click on the link where you will find those firms. Okay, and you will get a list. When you get the list of the CA firms, if you have the email ID, for example in EY, I have the email ID careers.ey@in.ey.com. This is the official email ID. I will mail my CV on this email ID. If you don't get the email ID of the respective CA firm, then what you can do is go to their official website. That is, in this case, if I go to Todarwal and Todarwal company, okay, then go on to more and contact us. Okay, you will get this page, and in this page you will get all the mail ID that you require. For example, if you want to upload your CVs or career, you have an official email ID, that is careers@todarwal.com. You can upload your CV here. Okay, so in this way you can find firms for articleship. The next way you can find articleship firms is by this way. Type top LLP CA firms in wherever you reside, and then you will get a list. Okay, then go to the official website, then go on to contact us, and then you will get the list of email IDs in which you can upload your CV. Okay, So these are the two ways in which you can apply for CA forms. The second way is the efficient way, because you can find any firms in which you want to apply for articleship. You can research them, go to their official website and get the email ID where you can contact them. I have also made a list of some email IDs which you can use to upload your CV. These are some of the email IDs that I have jotted down. You can find the Excel sheet in my description box and you can easily copy them. You can directly go into these links and upload your CV. These email IDs belong to Mumbai CA firms. So if you don't reside in Mumbai, then these are not useful for you. You can use the method that I have shown you. In this way, you can easily find forms for articleship. There is no pressure that you will face if you use these methods. The first one is the easiest method. The second one is the research one, which you have to do so that you can get into good articleship forms. You can also use LinkedIn. If you have a LinkedIn profile, you can contact HRs of various different firms and ask them for articleship in their respective forms. So this is also another way in which you can apply for articleship. I have provided you with three ways. The first one is the recommendation way, the second one which is the research way, and the third one is the LinkedIn way. By these three ways, you can find any firms for articleship. So this is the end of the video. If you have any recommendation for my next videos, you can share them in the comment box. If you like this video, do share this video to your friends who is searching for forms for articleship so that he can easily find forms for his articleship. If this video provided you with any value, do like the video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.